Head out. Head out means to leave a place. Americans often say this when we want to sound more relaxed and natural. It feels more casual and friendly than saying leave. And you'll hear it everywhere. At home, at work, with friends, on the phone, and even in stores. Imagine you're at a party and it's getting late. It can sound really abrupt to say, I need to leave, it's late. But if you say, hey, I think I need to head out, it's getting late, it sounds much more casual, less abrupt, and more friendly. Let's say that you met with a friend for lunch and you have a meeting that's coming up. You could say, I'm going to head out in a few minutes so I'm not late. Or maybe you're going to watch a movie in the movie theater and it's about to start. You could say, we should head out now if we want to catch the movie. Or maybe you know there's going to be a snowstorm later and you need to get on the road to get to your next destination. You could say, let's head out before the weather gets worse. Now repeat after me. Head out. Head out. Head out. I'm heading out now. What time do you head out?